Diagnostic trouble codes P0485 and P0486 are both related to the exhaust gas recirculation throttle control circuit and indicate issues with how the system is being controlled or monitored. P0485 refers to an EGR throttle control circuit low condition, typically caused by low voltage, poor electrical connections, or a malfunctioning actuator. P0486, on the other hand, indicates an EGR throttle control circuit range/performance issue, meaning the system is not operating within expected parameters, which may result from a faulty throttle valve, sensor issues, or wiring problems. Together, these codes point to potential electrical or mechanical faults within the EGR throttle control system that can affect emissions performance and engine operation. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. Method A, the EGR valve. The EGR valve is located toward the rear of the engine, just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it with a WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours to allow the solvent to remove all carbon buildup. After the cleaned EGR valve has dried, reinstall it back into the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use a WD-40 cleaner to clean out the deposits inside the intake manifold, and wipe it thoroughly to ensure all carbon buildup is removed. Reinstall the intake manifold after it has completely dried.
After the repair, you can now use the ZUSAT to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.